Take out your trainer books. Open your cameras, children.
Teacher, what is the trainer book that
This
black
one.
color?
Wait, I will show you. This one.
Okay.
Amit, read me. Can you all open your cameras? And Vihara.
1 second, teacher.
Okay. So we did this one, right? This upside sorry, upside down one. Iduni?
No, teacher.
No? Even I can't see that. Wait. I can't see that, children. Even in your books as well. Is it same? Is it same like?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This one we did, I guess. No?
Yes, teacher, we did.
We did, right? Let's do the exam practices. Did we do this one, Induni?
No, teacher.
Okay, let's do this one. Yasiru, Yugit, do you all have your trainer books with you all?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Okay, now come to page number 15. This is an exam practice. Okay, see here, we have the question just like in your exam. Okay, you get this kind of exact type of question in your exam paper, in your reading paper. You know that already, right? So here we have question 6 to 10. For each question, choose the correct answer. The young people below all want to find an art course to attend. On the next page, there are descriptions of 8 art courses. Decide which art course would be the most suitable for the people below. Okay, so these people here, they want to find an art course. They want to follow an art course. And there is a description here. You can read and you can get to know what their interests are, what type of art course they are looking for. These kind of information are there in these texts. And then here we have 8 art courses. Read this and find which one do these students want. Okay, like this. You can read this and you can find the suitable art course from here. If it is D, okay, if it is this one, write D here. Okay, write D here. Get it? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. We'll give you 15 to 20 minutes. Try to finish it within 15 minutes. Quickly. Yasuru, open your camera. Chenuti, what's wrong with y'all? Ridmi, Amit, I don't know even if y'all are here or not. I know Tenula has a problem. Tenula, do you have the trainer? Tenula? Okay. Finish it quickly. Tenula, are you using two devices?
Who is Litula?
Tenula,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Are you using two devices? Because there are two students, like two
Yes,
devices here.
teacher.
You can log out from one device.
Okay, teacher.
When you're done, put the raise hand option on.
Teacher, what is one-to-one? One-to-one session?
One-to-one session means face-to-face, like individual sessions.
Finish, teacher.
Kavya, it's trainer. Chenuti, tell Kavya the page number that you all are doing.
15.
Chenuti, put the raise hand option on. 5 students have finished, others quickly. I forgot to put it as the recording, sorry. Teachers here always have ideas. Give me a second, children. Okay. Teachers here always have ideas to get you drawing, printing, painting, and printing. But you can use your own material too. The student studio-based course focuses on portraits. You will use famous portraits to create pictures of people. One-to-one sessions also available. Now, one-to-one sessions also available means private lessons. So underline it because it will be used in the future for us. Art and imagination. Yugi read. Yugi read this. Oh, no. B. Art attack. Yugi. Read this one. B. Art attack. Quickly. Yugi.
Yes.
Read B. Art attack.
Learn how to create pictures, perhaps based on your own writing, to put into short book. Power using simple techniques. Poster using simple techniques that don't require technology. Discover how to put a book together with professional looking cover design and hand printed by you. Perfect for any considering further studies in art.
Learn how to create pictures, perhaps based on your own writing, to put into a short book or poster. Do we know someone who wanted this? Yes. Using simple techniques that don't require technology. Okay, don't require technology. Discover too how to put a book together with a professional looking cover designed and hand printed by you. Perfect for anyone considering further studies in art. Which one? Which one wanted this? Who wanted this?
Simone. Oh no. Number 9, Nicola.
Others? Who
The
wants?
paragraph B, what is the paragraph letter B, right?
Yes, B. Who wanted that?
Nicola.
Nicola.
I think none.
What about others?
I think none.
Say your answers. Induni?
Rafa.
Ridmi says
Rafa.
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 Yes, Rafa wants to do that because see, he's written stories which he'd like to publish and wants to learn how to include drawings in them without using a computer. Here also, it's without technology.
Okay.
That don't require technology. So B, art attack. See, Induni, read this one. Art and imagination.
If you like designing clothes, you will enjoy the software here to create and print out designs for tops, shorts, and hats that people would love to wear. You will go home with a folder of work perfect to present when applying for higher level art course. Individual classes also available.
Yes. If you like designing clothes, you'll enjoy learning to use special computer software here to create and print out design for tops, shoes, and hats that people would love to wear. You'll go home with a folder of work, perfect to present when applying for a higher level art course. Individual classes also available. This is related to, this course is related to clothes. Who wanted this? Who wanted? Nicola. Nicola
Nicola.
enjoys printing by hand. She wants to print the patterns she's created onto different materials for her mother to make into clothes. Nicola wanted that. So C, answer
can
C
we
for
take-
9. Huh?
Can we tick?
Yeah, you can. Okay, D, create. Tenulia, can you read this one?
Draw and paint in different situations, in the studio or even in the park. Gallery visits are also included. And you are taught how to base your work on studies or landscape and portraits by well-known artists. The teachers also encourage you to experiment with various styles and methods.
Good. Draw and paint in different situations, in the studio or even in the park. Now we know someone who wanted a course like this. Gallery visits are also included, and you are taught how to base your work on studies of landscapes and portraits by well-known artists. Teachers also encourage you to experiment with various styles and methods. Who wanted to do indoors and outdoor painting? Who wanted? Andre.
And
Andre.
Yes, he wants to try different painting techniques and have trips to see the work of famous printers. Famous painters. See, here
Painters.
also it says gallery visits are also included. So when you go to a gallery, you can see these artwork. So gallery visits are included. Tick. And he'd also like to try painting outdoors. Draw and paint in different situations in the studio or even in the park. So answer D for 8th one. Andre. More art now. Yasiru, read more art now.
Improve how you paint people and place on this studio days because the teacher bring in work from photos to poster to give you ideas and use the studio website to show you your work and exchange ideas with the other students. Useful for anyone wishing to study art at high level.
Improve how you paint people and places on the studio-based course. The teachers bring in work ranging from photos to posters to give you ideas. And use the studio website to show your work and exchange ideas with other students. Useful for anyone wishing to study art at a higher level. Someone wanted to see other students' work as well, right? Simona enjoys creating art on her computer and wants to find ways to improve the posters she makes on it. She also wants to share what she's done with other students on the course. So this is the perfect course for her. See? The studio website to show your work and exchange ideas with other students. Did you all put that answer? E for Simona.
Yes, teacher. Mine is correct.
Now we know Rafa, Simona,
Yes, teacher.
Andre, Nicola. We just want Carl's one. Let's see. Art workshop. Vihara, read.
Art workshop. Do some drawings in the studio or outside, or bring along your own. The teachers will then help you to turn them into wonderful printed designs. Using simple methods you can try yourself after the course. You'll then transfer your designs onto cotton and silk using a special paints, perfect to use in sewing projects after.
Do some drawings in the studio or outside, or bring along your own. The teachers will then help you to turn them into wonderful printed designs using simple methods you can try yourself after the course. You will then transfer your designs onto cotton and silk using special paints, perfect to use in sewing projects afterwards. Anybody who put answer F to Nicola's one?
Yes, teacher.
Studio
I
outside.
did it too. I put F to Nicholas one.
Wait,
I did not.
different materials, okay. I know the basic ones at basic printing techniques to use at home. You can try yourself after the course, yes. So answer F for Nicola. Answer F for Nicola.
Nicola?
Yes.
Yes.
Then do it yourself. Read, Chenuti.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Vihara.
Teacher, now do we need to find for Carl's one only?
We need to.
We need to only find for Carl's one.
Yeah, but we have to read these two also, right?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
Do it yourself. Try making art to go with your stories here. Working inside or outside. You will get ideas from books showing famous paintings and cartoons, and then create and print pictures of people to accompany your stories using digital design techniques. There are even one-to-one teaching if you prefer.
Try making art to go with your stories here, working inside or outside. You will get ideas from books showing famous paintings and cartoons, and then create and print pictures of people to accompany your stories using digital design techniques. There's even one-to-one teaching if you'd prefer. What are Carl's requirements? Carl enjoys taking photos of his family and wants to use them as a basis for the art he produces. He takes pictures. Okay, let's read the last one. Amit.
Comment.
Amit, read.
Come and experiment with digital design. You will get great ideas through research. Then using special software, create your pictures and add details on screen. Whether it's clothes, people, books, or something to put on the wall. Upload your work on the studio website and get opinions from your classmates there. And
and comment on theirs. Okay, come and experiment with digital design. You will get great ideas through research. Then using special software, create your pictures and add details on screen, whether it's clothes, people, books, or something to put on the wall. Upload your work on the studio website and get opinions from your classmates there and comment on theirs. Okay, this is not for Carl, but we get a sense that Simona wanted to see others once, right?
Teacher, in he says, show your work and exchange idea with other students.
Yeah, here also says the same thing. No. E is the answer for Simona.
Yes.
Do
he
it
is the-
yourself and get artistic. We have two answers for Carl because there are private sessions in both courses, right?
Yes.
So we have to find from the other things. Here, you drawing, painting, printing, but you can use your own materials, studio-based portraits. You learn how to develop whatever you brought or use famous portraits to create pictures of people. See, he is associated with pictures, right, Carl? Carl is associated with pictures. So answer A. Did you all write that answer? Yes. All correct? Put your hands up. All correct. Chenuti? Others? Kavya? Tenulya? That's all? Okay, let's come to this page. Yasiru, how many? We are also all correct. Yasiru, how many answers did you get right? Yasiru.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you call me?
How many correct answers do you have?
How much are correct?
He doesn't
Hmm.
talk. He doesn't open his camera. I can't see him. Huh? I don't know what he's doing.
Yasiru, turn on your
Hmm.
camera.
Class එකේ හිටියනම් ඔන්න දෙකක් දීලා හරි බලා ගන්න තිබුණා මොකද කරන්න කියලා. Now I can't even touch him, right? Okay, children, do this part, okay? Read this passage and try to answer these questions quickly.
Which page, teacher?
19. The paragraph is on 19. The questions are on 20.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Chanuti, read the first para, this one.
First one,
Yes.
my family and I recently went to Australia to see my grandparents. But before we visited them, we went sightseeing along the Great Ocean Road on the Australian coast.
Very good.
Then-
Repeat second one. Ridmi.
Dad had intended to drive, but even though he was used to driving miles without getting exhausted, he then read on the website that the road wouldn't be an easy drive with a number of sharp bends. Anyway, we thought
He deserved
he deserved to enjoy the fantastic views too, which he couldn't do as our driver. So
instead. Ridmi. Instead, we persuaded. She's not here. Ridmi, you're on mute. Okay. My family and I recently went to Australia to see my grandparents. Why did they go to Australia? Why did they go to Australia?
To see their grandparents.
To see their grandparents. But before we visited them, we went sightseeing along the Great Ocean Road on the Australian coast. Australian coast. Coast means? Coast.
Coast means near the sea.
Yes, seaside, coastal areas. So before they went to see their grandparents, what did they do? They went sightseeing. They went to see the Great Ocean. Sorry, they went sightseeing means they went to see some places. Okay, where did they go? Along the Great Ocean Road on the Australian coast. Dad had intended to drive, but even though he was used to driving miles without getting exhausted, he then read on the website that the road wouldn't be an easy drive. Okay, Dad wanted to drive, but like he has the ability to drive without getting exhausted. Exhausted means exhausted. Without getting tired. Okay, extreme level of tire, we call it exhausted. I'm exhausted here. I'm tired. We can say I'm exhausted. Okay. He then read on the website that the road wouldn't be an easy drive. So he read on the website that this Great Ocean Road wouldn't be an easy drive. So with a number of sharp bends. Bends means sharp bends. Bends.
Puddle?
Wangu.
Wangu.
Okay. So there are so many sharp bends. Anyway, we thought he deserved to enjoy the fantastic views too, which he couldn't do as our driver. So he deserves to enjoy the view. He deserves to means he should. He has to enjoy the view, not only driving. Okay, if he drives, He cannot see the fantastic views. Only the passengers can view it, not the driver. So we thought that father deserved to, father should, like, he should watch these fantastic views. But if he's the driver, he cannot do this. So instead, we persuaded him to book discount bus tickets, and off we went. So what did they do? They persuaded him to, they encouraged him to book discount bus tickets, and they went by the bus. Our first, okay, Kavya, read this para. Third one.
Our first stop was where wild kangaroos lived, and Dad and I were taking a walk when a big one appeared. For a moment, it seemed to consider coming towards us, which made me slightly nervous, but then it went off along the road, stopping to check if we were following. Although it was with us a while, I was so excited I didn't even manage to pull out my camera. Then it looked back once more and went off into the bushes.
Okay. Our first stop was where wild kangaroos lived. You know, Australia is famous for kangaroos, right? And Dad and I were taking a walk when a big one appeared. Okay, a big kangaroo appeared. For a moment, it seemed to consider coming towards us, which made me slightly nervous, but then it went off along the road. Did the kangaroo come towards them?
No,
No. Stopping to check if we were following. What did he do? What did the kangaroo do? It didn't come towards them. What did it do? What did it do?
it stopped to check if they were following.
It went along the road, and he was stopping to check if his dad and daughter were following them. Although it was with us a while, I was so excited, I didn't even manage to pull out my camera. Then it looked back once more and went off into the bushes. He went into the bushes. That means bushes means
Panduru.
no. Here into the bushes means like into the forest. Okay. Okay. This para Induni.
That wasn't the only wildlife we saw. I thought it unlikely we would see Australia's famous koala bears during our short visit, as I would heard they were rare, but we weren't disappointed at our next stop. In fact, we discovered there were roughly 6 million in that area. Sadly, some gum trees they were in had very few leaves left, which people told us was because of koalas, although I would read that lack of water is actually the problem. Still, I guess they looked cute and were easy to find. We just followed the tourist looking up into trees.
Okay. That wasn't the only wildlife we saw. I thought it unlikely we'd see Australia's famous koala bears during our short visit, as I'd heard they were rare. So koala bears, have you seen pictures of koala bears?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, there was a wildfire teacher.
Yes.
No, they were dying of the fire, I think.
Yes.
Some rescue, some was rescue.
Koala bears are very rare. So, but we weren't disappointed at our next stop. In fact, we discovered there were roughly 6 million in that area. So in that area, there are 6 million of who?
Koalas.
Koala bears, yes. Sadly, some gum trees they were in had very few leaves left, which people told us was because of the koalas, although I dread that lack of water is actually the problem. Huh? They eat these leaves. Have you seen? They eat gum trees leaves. Now the leaves left. Because of what? What is the reason for that? Vihara, what is the reason for that?
Because because the reason is because
You are not listening, right? I knew it. Okay. What is the reason, Induri?
Because of koala bears.
Because of koala bears. Is it the truth?
They
People say that it because of the koalas. But the real reason is, Charuti?
Lack of water.
Lack
Lack
of
of wa-
water. Lack of water is the actual problem.
Lack of water.
Still, I guess they looked cute and were easy to find. We just followed the tourists looking up into the trees. Last para. Yasiru read. Yasiru read the last para. Yasiru, I can't hear you. Where's your big voice that you use in the classroom? What are you all doing, children? Huh? You get read?
It is like a baby saying something.
මේගොල්ලන්ට කතා කරගන්න බෑනේ. Where's Yukit? Yukit is not even here. Gone. I'm not going to give the attendance for these students. උදේට එනවා චුට්ටක් මූණ පෙන්නනවා දුවනවා. Emit read. Emit, you are on mute.
Dad had booked a site for the night when ready.
Yasiru, stop. Yasiru, stop. I can't hear you. What is this, children? When I ask you to read something, you all open your mics and read. If you have a connection problem, you tell it to me. What's this? Huh?
Dad had looked a composite for the night with ready-made tents for an adventure. I wasn't sure about that, but they were actually luxury tents. Within walking distance of some famous rocks and other places we hoped to visit. However, Dad also said the sounds of wild creatures would help us feel. That sounded boring until the wild creatures turned out to be frogs. So I was embarrassed by my fears and
Fears.
kept awake by the fears and kept awake by the frogs. But we had fun making meals together. We would brought food as we knew there would be nowhere to eat. In fact, this whole trip was fantastic.
Okay. Dad had booked a campsite for the night with ready-made tents for an adventure. Huh? What was there? What did
Ready-
father arrange for the night?
A
A
campsite.
campsite for night, right? And ready-made tents. So you all be inside the tents. I wasn't sure about that, but they were actually luxury tents. Within walking distance of some famous rocks and other places we hoped to visit. However, Dad also said the sounds of wild creatures would help us sleep. Huh? Father said the sound of wild creatures would help us sleep. There will be so many sounds which they produced. That sounded worrying until the wild creatures turned out to be frogs. Who are these wild creatures who are making sounds?
Frogs.
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 So I was embarrassed by my fears. Embarrassed means?
Ledger. Ledger pattun.
Lajjavadu pattuna. Okay, not shy. This is not shy children. Shy means like to perform or to say something. අනෙක් දැන් මොකක් හරි කරන්න යනකොට ඇති වෙන ලැජ්ජාව ඔය තියෙන්නේ. embarrassed කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි අර ලැජ්ජ හිතෙන දෙයක් වුණාම පාර මැද්ද ඇදගෙන වැටුනොත් තියෙන්නේ. මිනිස්සු ගොඩාක් ඉන්න ටවුන් එක මැද්ද ඇවිදගෙන යනකොට එක පාට කකුල ලිස්සලා වැටෙනවා. මිනිස්සු සේරම දකිනවා. කොහොමද දැනෙන්නේ? සතුටුයිද? Will you feel happy? Okay, I fell down in front of everyone. එහෙම? No, right? We feel embarrassed. පොළොව පලාගෙන යන්න හිතින්. අන්න ඒක. Okay? So I was embarrassed by my fears and kept awake by the frogs. But we had fun making meals together. We brought food as we knew there'd be nowhere to eat. In fact, this whole trip was fantastic. Okay, now let's see. 11th. Donna's dad decided not to drive the Great Ocean Road himself because he realized he wouldn't enjoy the views as much. He thought it would be too tiring for him. He discovered the bus would be a cheaper option. He found out the route was very challenging. What is the answer? What is the answer?
A.
A. Others?
I think it is D.
It's D. Answer D. He found
Answer
out the route
D.
was very challenging. Answer D. Answer is D. He found out. See, he didn't realize he wouldn't enjoy the view. The daughter says. He thought it would be too tiring for him. No, he didn't. He discovered the bus would be cheaper. No, the family persuaded him to buy those tickets. But he found out the route was very challenging. එයා තමයි ඒක හොයාගත්තේ. එයා වෙබ්සයිට් එක කියලා එයායි හොයාගත්තේ route එක challenging කියලා. So the answer is D. When Donna saw a kangaroo along the route, she was worried that it might approach her, amazed at the size of it, sad that it didn't stay with them long, disappointed that she had forgotten her camera. What is the answer? What is the answer? Don't be afraid and tell me the answer.
Answer D.
Answer D.
No. No. Answer A.
Answer A. When Donna saw a kangaroo along the route, she was disappointed that she had forgotten her camera. That was her feeling.
Oh, okay. Answer is D, right?
Yes.
Okay.
13. Donna says that the koala bears they saw were responsible for damage to the trees,
C is the answer is C.
even more attractive than people had told her, more common than she'd expected, very skilled at hiding away from tourists. Answer C, more common than she'd expected. Why? There are 6 million koala bears in that area. So more common. 14th, what was Donna's opinion of the place where they stayed? She found it was less comfortable than she'd hoped. She liked the fact that it was convenient for sightseeing. She enjoyed hearing the sounds of nature as she slept. She was disappointed there was no restaurant nearby. What's the answer?
Answer B.
Answer?
Answer C.
Answer B.
Answer B.
It should be answer B because not answer C. She didn't enjoy the hearing sounds of nature. She was embarrassed when she found out that there were frogs, not any other wild creatures. So she didn't enjoy it. She was somewhat scared. So answer should be B. She liked the fact that it was convenient for sightseeing. We could read it here, right? See? They were actually luxury tents within walking distance of some famous rocks and other places we hope to visit. They were in the site. What might Donna write in her blog during the trip? A, the bus we are traveling on is pretty comfortable with great views from the window. Grandma and granddad are enjoying it too. No, not that answer because grandma and granddad are not with them. Before they visit them, they went on this trip. B, we can see quite a lot as we drive along. I just wish we could stop and get out to explore properly. Is that so? No, they could stop and they could step out, right? Not that answer. Yesterday, we went to some huge rocks near our campsite and we were really impressed. I'm surprised they are not well known. D, I wasn't looking forward to camping in case there were wild animals, but we haven't seen anything at all dangerous. So I feel silly now. What is the answer?
D.
D. Answer D. Answer is D. That's the answer. Okay. I'm going to call Yogit's mom. I'm not going to let the administration call. I'm going to call. I want to talk to her. Because Yogit is not coming for exams, no answering, nothing. I'm screaming his name here. No answer. I don't know what he's doing. Others, what are your answers?
Answer D.
Answer D.
Answer D.
Okay, let's see. When they arrived, though, the site wasn't quite what Kate had expected. In fact, the whole area was actually still covered in grass. So the first job was to remove it all and prepare the land for digging. Okay. But when the site was completely cleared, the team found pieces of ancient pots on the ground. However, those weren't as exciting as everyone had thought. Kate's dad told them that the important pots were still under the ground, and because no one had touched them for centuries, the team would learn far more about their history. But first, they would have to dig deeper, says Kate. But we all knew Dad was right. What is the answer?
F.
F. Others?
E.
E. No, not E. It was a bit sad to see it disappear. No. We didn't talk about anything. We are still talking about the ground, right? He says that we need to dig deeper. I think the answer is F. Some people were a bit disappointed by that news, but we all knew Dad was right. The site was divided into small squares with a leader for each square, who told everyone how to dig. That wasn't easy as it sounded either, Kate reports. Instead of just digging great big holes, we all had to dig really carefully and remove small amounts of soil each time. So it made sense. What is the answer?
Answer C.
Yes. That way,
C.
everyone made sure they didn't miss anything. My friends at home were really interested in what I was doing, Kate explains. They kept texting me to ask what I'd found, but actually we were looking for ordinary, everyday objects that could tell us about the people who'd lived in the area centuries ago. What was the answer?
G.
Yes. They probably imagined it was things like gold jewelry, but actually we were looking for ordinary. In the end, though Kate wasn't disappointed by what she found, one day when I was digging away, I found a stone with a strange shape. Someone had obviously made it hundreds of years ago, which meant it was really important. So Dad cleaned it up and said it would go to the nearby museum. So I was pleased So I was pleased that at last I'd found something interesting. What is the answer?
A.
It turned out to be a small figure of a horse. Yes. All answers correct? Who got all answers correct?
Yes, sir. Can you?
Kavya got all answers correct. Yugit is not here. Can you see? Yugit is still raising his hand. Yugit is not here.
I think by the